Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape or... Stop scrolling, because what I'm about to say about Colaz Smith might change how you see success forever. Not because of money, not because of fame, but because of something most people don't have and don't even realize they're missing. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some people stay stuck while others quietly take over. But first, let me ask you something. What if success has nothing to do with talent? Before the views, before the recognition, Colaz was just another creator, posting, waiting, hoping. No hype, no spotlight, no guarantee anything would work. And this right here is where most people quit. Because when nobody is watching, it feels like nothing is happening. But that's the biggest lie. Because what looks like nothing is actually everything building underneath. Let that sink in. Because most people never make it past that stage. At some point, something changed. Not the views, not the algorithm, his mindset. Because there's a difference between posting for attention and building with purpose. One makes you quit, the other makes you unstoppable. And Colaz didn't just want to be seen. He wanted to make an impact, helping people, showing up, doing what others wouldn't do. And slowly, people started paying attention. Not because he got lucky, but because he stayed consistent when it was hard. But here's the part that nobody talks about. When you start rising, pressure comes with it. People start watching you differently, judging you, questioning you. Some support you, others wait for you to fail. And that pressure, it destroys most people because growth comes with discomfort and success comes with exposure. So, the real question is, can you handle being misunderstood? At some point, it stopped being about content. It started being about people, real life, real struggles, real impact. And that is when everything changed. Because when what you do starts helping others, it becomes bigger than you. And that's when influence is built, not from views, but from value. And most people never reach this level because they quit too early. So let's make this real. This is not just about colors. This is about you. The ideas you haven't started. The goals you keep delaying. The version of yourself you keep avoiding. Let me tell you something simple. You don't need to be ready. You don't need support. You don't need perfect timing. You just need to stop quitting on yourself. Because success isn't about who starts strong. It's about who refuses to stop. One day, people will look at your life and see you're lucky, but they'll never see the doubt, the struggles, the days you wanted to give up, the days you got only 20 views. And that's why this matters. Because stories like this remind you greatness is built in silence. So, if you're watching this right now and you feel stuck, don't stop. Because everything can change the moment you decide not to quit. If this hit you, comment, everything changed.